Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izan Amira binti Nasaruddin. Today I would like to share something about music. Let me start with the definition of music. Music is a melody or a vibe that created by organizing of pitch, rhythm and sound made by using musical instrument and sometimes singing. Music is an integral or maybe an essential part of everyone's life. Everybody in this world, indirect or directly, is connected with the music, even animal also. So, my first point is music can use as a medicine. Autism children has problem communicating with others, which keep them confined their personal world. Music touch them emotionally, thereby motivating these children to interact with others and express themselves freely. Music therapy like singing song and rhythm exercise can improve their focus and memory. Music is a great reliever. In a research by Hanser and Thompson, music could upfill the mood of elderly people suffering from depression. When it comes to depression, it's better to listen to an inspiring music rather than sad song which could make you feel worse. For your information, music can help us in difficult situation like when you feel stressed with your study. Just grab your iPod, plug in your earphone and switch on your favorite song. Get carried away by the musical wave and you will feel free. Then, when you feel sad because of something that makes you want to cry, you should listen to happy song. Sometimes the lyric and the rhythm that created can change our mood from sad to happy. My third point is music can help baby to speak. As you can see, parents when parents want to speak with their baby, they not use sentences like what do you want to eat, but they use mamam because baby understand that mamam stand for it. So, in conclusion, music helps us in many things. It has changed our life and still change us every day. Therefore, it much more than just a thing. It taught us a lesson, helped define and shape who we are, and give us strength when we feel weak. It gives us hope when we feel want to give up and let us know that we are not alone. Music is there for us when nobody else is. So we remain loyal and loving. Music is the only real magic on earth, and sometimes we can live without it. Music is not just a thing, it's a lifestyle. We live by our music and we love by our music. Music is our life. So that's all for me. Thank you.